Hello, my name is Sophia Shen. I'm a trainer from SAS. I did a webinar on machine learning using SAS Viya. I hope you enjoy a short extract from that webinar. Thank you. Bye. Machine learning in SAS Viya, there are a few applications you can use to build machine learning models. So the traditional methods when you want to build machine learning models is to write code. So you can use SAS Viya Workbench or SAS Studio to write machine learning code. So you can use SAS procedures or Python in via Workbench. You can also write Python codes. You can use Python functions, from the many available packages and libraries. So that's the sort of the traditional ways of building models, but we won't go over these today. The second way of building models is to use the point-and-click applications like SAS Visual Analytics and Model Studio. So some of you might know Visual Analytics. Visual Analytics is mainly exploration and reporting tool, but it also comes with some models. So I'll do a quick demonstration and show you that. And Model Studio is a Viya application that is specifically built for building machine learning models. So whether you are using the programming interface or the point-and-click interface, underneath the different interfaces, the same CAS actions are used and applied. That means that you get the same result. Okay, so if you have done lots of model building, you're very familiar with Python or SAS code, then you can use the programming, to do your models. But if you're starting out, Visual Analytics is a really good tool to use, and it gets you start really quickly. I guess you're all familiar with the Viya interface. So in Viya, as a cloud application, you access the application through a web URL. And once you get in, you click on the applications menu. You can see the different applications that you have. If you click on Explore and Visualize, you get to the Visual Analytics application. And Visual Analytics, you use objects to build reports, and these objects can be a table, can be a graph, can also be a model. So if you go to the objects panel on the left-hand side, you can see that there's two groups of models that you can use. So there's the decision tree models, the regression models, the GLM, generalized linear models, and generalized additive models under the statistics group. And you can also build 6 machine learning models. The models that you can build in Visual Analytics, they are mainly the supervised learning models, and there's limited types, but there are more models you can do in Model Studio. Okay, so in the demonstration, I will show you how you can use the decision tree object to build a tree model in Visual Analytics. And one thing good about Visual Analytics is that through one click of the mouse button, you can build different type of models. So if you have a decision tree model, you can just click on these 3 dots and you say you want to change decision tree to a different model. So if you want to build a, say, neural network or another logistic regression model, and you can change your model up to a different type.